Minasan, konnichiwa. Kaycee desu. This is reading and writing in Hiragana.
Hello everyone, this is Kaycee and this is reading exercises in Hiragana. Now that we've learned writing all the Hiragana characters using mnemonics, it's time for us to practice reading. Are you ready? Let's start! Which one is the character for A? It's this one with the letter A in the middle. Let's try this. I, meaning love. How about this? Au, meaning to meet. Next we have Ie, which means no. Now try this one. Aoi, meaning blue. Next is this one. Eki, which means train station. For example, Tokyo Eki. How about this? Kaku, to write. Next we have Kiku, which means to listen. Try not to confuse with kaku. Try to read this. Oki, meaning big. Next is Eiga, movie. Remember the tenten? Which of the following character is ki? It's this one. Remember, it looks like a key. How about this? Sushi. It's a famous Japanese food. Next we have Suki, meaning like. Next is this one. Sake. It's a Japanese rice wine. Now this. Ashi. This means foot or leg. Next is this one. Isu, chair. And then this. Oishii, delicious. Try to read this. Gakusei, student. Ja, sugi. Ichi, one. How about this? Kutsu, it's a shoes. Next is Kata, shoulders. Now try this one. Kata, one. Remember the chisaitsu? Now this. Ashita, tomorrow. Next we have Atsui, meaning hot. Next is Toke, it's a clock or watch. Which one is the character for na? It's this one. Remember our mnemonics? Which one is the character for nu? It's this. Chopsticks holding the noodles. Now read this. Nani? What? Next is Inu. It's a dog. And then this. Neko, cat. Try to read this. Natto. It's a fermented soybeans. Have you tried one? Which of these characters is ha? It's this one, forming the letter H and A. Now read this one. Hi. Yes. Next is this one. Hito, meaning person. Ja, sugi. Hanabi. This means fireworks. Try to read this. Kipu. This means ticket. Remember the maru? Which one is our character for ma? It's this one. Remember the man in mask? Which one is our character for me? It's this one. Me means I. Now read this. Ame. This means rain. Ame. This means candy. Next is ima. Now. And then this. Kimono. It's the national dress of Japan. So next we have mainichi. This means everyday. Next is this one. Yama, meaning mountain. Now try this one. Ocha, meaning tea. It has the contracted sound. Try to read this. Hyaku, 100. And then this. Kyo, today. Which one is our character for ra? It's this one. Our mnemonics is a rabbit. Remember? Which of the following character is wa? It's this one. And don't forget our mnemonics. Which of these character refers to ru? It's this one. Our key here is a hand holding a ruby. Let's get ready for the following words. Ichi, ni, san. Try this one. Taberu. This means to eat. Now let's try this. Onigiri. It's a popular snack in konbini across Japan. You should try this. Next we have Yoko, travel. Don't forget that ri and yo should produce a contracted sound. Yoko. Let's try this. Watashi, I or me. For example, watashi wa Kaycee desu. Now try to read this. Shimbun, newspaper. Notice that the N produced M sound since it is followed by a B. How about this? Jitensha, bicycle. Next is boshi. This is a hat or cap. How about this? Okasan. This means mother. Now this. Otosan. Father. Let's try this one. One-san, meaning older sister. Next is this one. Shigoto, work or job. Next we have daigaku. This means university. So now let's try this. Kaishain, company employee. And next, Kangkoku, Korea. And this, Chugoku, China.
Sana nakatulong yung mga exercises na yon para sa pagbabasa ninyo ng hiragana. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou gozaimasu! Bye-bye! Jane!